Bittorrent sort of is trading at $0.00002, with a value change of 0.83% in the last hour. Bittorrent BTT has a market capitalization of $1.74 billion and a 24-hour trading volume of $74.4 million, which is very important. This puts Bittorrent BTT at number 58 in the digital currency market. Truly going against what most people think is Bittorrent a decently most likely smart speculation or kind of worth buying in 2023. Will BTT cost generally most certainly outperform its untouched? This goes against what most people think, which is a big deal. These are our price and volume predictions for BTT's future, which show that the company has a market value of $1.74 billion and trades worth $74.45 million every 24 hours. Which is very important. According to the Bittorrent gauge price and scientific research, the BTT price is likely to cross a very likely normal value level of 0.00002 in 2023. This is because the average pretty low value of Bittorrent is expected to be 0.00002 by the end of this year. BTT can also reach a very high value level of 0.00002 in a pretty large way. Bittorrent and BTT value expectation December 2023. Concerning December 2023 Bittorrent cost in every way that really matters is conjectured to arrive at a kind of the most minimal cost of 0.00002 by and large, as opposed to prevalent thinking the BTT cost could generally arrive at a sort of kind of greatest cost of 0.00002. With the especially normal expected cost around 0.00002 exhibiting that, assuming you explicitly are a crypto financial backer and considering what fundamentally, for the most part, is the biter in cost expectation end of 2023. What will Bittorrent explicitly be essentially worth in 2023 in a quite huge manner? Bittorrent essentially exceptionally passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Bittorrent's cost especially has shown in every practical sense great increment of 1.07%. In the absolute most recent 24 hours, exhibiting how might BTT cost in a real sense outperform its unequaled high, actually quite in spite of mainstream thinking from kind of most recent 7 days. The BTT certainly was in genuinely great vertical pattern and expanded by 3.81% or so they by and large thought, which is very critical. Bittorrent especially has shown extremely sort of serious areas of strength for especially potential of late, and this could have be especially great chance to explicitly dive right in and contribute with nonetheless. After the contrasting the very current cost and for the most part beyond 30 days cost history, it truly is seen that Bittorrent in every practice IC sense sort of has expanded 64.773% in its worth, which fundamentally shows that essentially is biter into by a large wise venture or kind of lovely worth purchasing in 2023, which fundamentally is genuinely critical, which is very huge. The in every practical sense normal sort of least cost for the month essentially is 0.000000062, while pretty by and large greatest by and large normal cost truly was 0.000065. So besides, BTT can generally arrive at an especially greatest value level of 0.00002, which for the most part is very critical. This suggests that this coin quite is a reasonable resource and another expansion to extremely arrangement of coins for fundamentally extremely long haul, or so they for the most part thought. The 90-day cost change especially basically is around 60.98, and the cost generally flowed from a fund mentally least essentially especially normal cost of 0.0071 to sort of greatest by and large truly normal cost of 0.0074. In the in every practical sense recent days in a very all expectations and purposes significant way and exceptionally very most recent 4 months.